What are innovative ways to reduce all the plastic in the oceans? Let's find out. There is a staggering amount of plastic waste floating in the world's oceans today, and millions more are being added every year. In addition to the obvious hazards like animals choking or becoming trapped, there are also unseen risks like chemicals that leak into the water as the plastic breaks down. There are a lot of great companies and organizations out there trying to solve this problem, and Clean Currents has yet another interesting approach. They are looking to address this issue by collecting the plastic and turning it into filaments for 3D printers. The PETG filament comes in black, white, and clear colors at 1.75 and 2.85 millimeter diameters. The spools are made from recyclable chipboard, and each one comes with information about where the plastic was found and how it was recovered. Clean Currents is running a crowdfunding campaign on how to establish a permanent residence in Haiti, and it ends on December 6th. What do you think? How would you solve for this? Comment below, connect with us on Facebook or Twitter, or start a project board with ideas of your own.